Hello and welcome to this week's video. No longer talking from our aft, but now talking from our kitchen. Chris is currently down in Miami installing some electronics on a yacht, and the boys are still sleeping. So I was gonna get ready and make my morning coffee. I started drinking this mushroom coffee, it's delicious. So before we moved on a boat, I was honestly angry, disgusted, disappointed with the culture and our kids and how they were entitled to everything. Sorry, let me blend. Which is a lot of the reason why we ended up going to go live on a boat, was because I didn't want them to just be whiny kids and not grateful. The unthankfulness just drove me absolutely crazy. So we kind of wanted to give them a few hardships. We wanted them to see what it was like for other people to live and to not have everything just at the grab of a hand. I think that's one thing that's really struggling with this current culture, is these kids these days just don't know how good they have it. So we lived on a boat for 4 years, absolutely loved it. And I admit I was kind of grossed out and frustrated and mad about our culture before, and I hated the suburbia life. I hated everything about it. And now that we're back in suburbia, I kind of feel like I missed that there's a beauty in suburban life. There is a beauty in the community, and there's a beauty in making and digging in deep roots. And that's something that we have been doing the last couple weeks, and we have really found joy and peace and thankfulness in everything that we have. And I don't think we would have that if we didn't have our last experience living on the boat, but we have that right now. And my boys, me and Chris, we're just so thankful for everything that we have. So this week's video, seeing as Thanksgiving's coming up, we're just going to talk about what we're thankful for and show you kind of around our new place.
On the boat, it was so hard to do dishes. Every cup had to be fully washed and washed and everything. Just here, I can just set them right in. Also on the boat, we had to haul water, so we didn't have a dishwasher or anything, because to allow the dishwasher to do its job, it would have taken way too much water. But now it's just press start and boom. No work required.
I'm thankful for a washer and dryer because it's so easy now. And it's washing.
Hit it start again. How did we used to have to do laundry?
By hand.
Or dinghy it to shore?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Cleaning the toilet.
Cleaning the sink.
Are chores easier?
That's not even a question.
It's really easy.
Yeah, you guys like cleaning the condo?
The toilet isn't fun to clean, but it's easy.
Yeah. Are you thankful for a toilet, though, that you can put toilet paper in?
Wait, I couldn't put it in on the boat. I'm not kidding.
No.
Everyone did it.
What?
I do.
Paper in the boat toilet?
What, Carter?
Wait, can I put toilet paper in the boat?
Oh, you guys are terrible.
I actually did. I thought it was only the wipes. No.
So, what do you like about your room?
That I get my space, except for right now during Christmas time, Caleb gets his lights everywhere, which is a madhouse.
You like having a desk and a bunk bed and...
Yes, it's very nice to have my own space.
Oh, and we don't walk in your room anymore.
No, not to go to the bathroom anymore.
Ooh. Latin.
I'm very thankful for a dishwasher. Makes it very easy to do dishes. She gets them way better than we do. Sanitizes them and cleans them to perfection most of the time.
Except when there's raw dough on it.
We don't have a lot in those cabinets, do we?
Oh, we can hold a lot. My favorite thing in the cabinets.
That's mine.
Chocolate!
Put it away.
My chocolate.
Better?
Yeah.
So I am thankful to have a garage. And it's only a little one-car skinny thing that I don't think you could actually fit a car in, but I can fit all my, I have a workbench and a workshop and stuff, I can tinker on stuff. And then I got rid of the Camry and I've got an actual truck again, and that's been a huge blessing as well. And knock on wood, it's been pretty darn reliable. So yeah, that's really made everything a lot easier and simpler for me doing my business as well.
What I'm thankful for and really like is my own desk. I can put as much junk on it as I want. It kind of forces me to clean it. And it's just nice. It's great to have space to actually draw stuff versus having to go to the kitchen table.
Hi, we got this blender from one of our sponsors, and we are going to test it out. I know why the package did it like this.
Cute. What you gonna make?
Probably a smoothie. I'm going to make a smoothie with this.
Okay. You gotta plug it in. Alright, let's see what you think. What do you think? Good?
It's great.
Do you like the blender?
Yeah. Great blender. It's a little small, but
So in keeping with this season of thankfulness, I just want to say thank you so much to all of you that have supported us throughout this journey, that have been a part of this, that have helped us, that have given advice, that have just participated along the way. We really appreciate it. We're really thankful to be in this next stage of our life right now. We're going to continue to do some videos every now and again, but it will be much less frequently. We're going to definitely take the rest of the holidays off. But you'll be able to check in on us from time to time. You can also check in my Captain Chris Knapp, my YouTube and my Facebook. I'm be posting some videos there of projects, of boats that I've got listed for sale, so you can still keep up with us that way. Thank you so much again for being along with us on this journey. And as we always say, no matter where you are, enjoy your journey.